Someone once asked Jesus, "Lord, will only a few be saved?" But instead of giving number, Jesus said, strive to enter through the narrow door. You know, that door is Jesus Himself. And walking through it is not easy because it means denying ourselves, carrying our cross, and following Him with love and humility. You see, the world offers an easy road. No rules, no effort, no sacrifice. But as C.S. Lewis said, the road to life is narrow and difficult, but it leads to true freedom. So today, ask yourself, which road are you walking? You know, the narrow door may be hard, but it leads to heaven. Choose Jesus even when it is difficult, because every step with Him brings us closer to eternal joy. Amen.